तो चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारे पास, लेट द लाइन L पासिंग थ्रू द पॉइंट 1,1,1 be perpendicular to the line this and this. Okay, a line which is perpendicular to this line and this line both. So can you tell me the direction vector of the line which is perpendicular to the both line? How to find the direction vector? We can find direction vector by cross method, na? Cross product. So if a vector is the direction vector of this line, that is 4, 1, 1. This is the direction vector. B vector is the direction vector of this another line 1, 1, 0. Okay. Now how to find direction vector of the line which is perpendicular to both these lines? By using cross product. I cap, j cap, k cap. This is 4, 1, 1, 1, 0. Sorry, 1, 1, 0. 1, 1, 0. Now open this determinant. So when you will open this determinant, I cap into, this is 0 minus 1. So minus 1 minus j cap into, delete 0 minus 1 plus k cap into, delete 4 minus 1 3. So this is the direction vector of the line. So equation of line we can write now. Direction vector is this one, point is this one. So direction vector is minus I cap plus j cap plus 3k cap. So equation of line I am writing in vector form. Okay, so r vector equal to a vector plus lambda times b vector. This is the equation of line now. So how to write? Position vector of point is 1, 1, 1 plus lambda times direction vector is this. So I am not writing ijk. Okay, so this one only. So after this they are saying let the line L intersect, this is the equation of line L. Okay, let the line L intersect yz plane at point Q. Okay, if this line intersect at yz plane, that means at yz plane x is 0 now. So here we can take the general point on the line 1 minus lambda 1, this is lambda 1 plus lambda, and this is 1 plus 3 lambda. Okay, in this way. So they are saying x coordinate is 0. X coordinate is 0, that means, because x coordinate is 0 because yz plane na intersect at yz plane. At yz plane x coordinate is 0, so x coordinate is 1 minus lambda, this equal to 0, that means lambda equal to 1. So lambda we got 1. So now what we can say, intersect at point Q. So point Q is put lambda equal to 1 here. So this is 1 minus 1 0, comma 1 plus 1 2, comma 1 plus 3 4. So this is point Q. Another line parallel to L. Okay, another line is there which is parallel to this line only, L line. Means if line is parallel, that means direction vector will be same. Direction vector of another line is same, minus 1 comma 1 comma 3. Another line which is parallel to this line and passing through point this S. So passing through point S. So point S is 1 comma 0 comma minus 1. So can you tell me the line? Yes, using these two we can write equation of line is equal to r vector equal to a vector means point 1 comma 0 comma minus 1 plus mu times direction vector minus 1 1 comma 3, and this line intersect yz plane, again yz plane at point r. Okay, if yz plane is there, that means again x coordinate is 0, so x is 1 minus mu, this is equal to 0. So from here mu is equal to 1. If you will put mu is equal to 1 in this equation, you will get point r. So point r is equal to 1 comma 0 comma minus 1 plus mu is 1 na, so minus 1 1 and 3. So x coordinate, so 1 minus 1 is 0 and y coordinate 1, minus 1 plus 3 is 2. So this is point r, this is point r, this is point q. Now what they are asking? They are asking then the square of the area of parallelogram PQRS. Okay, square of the area they are asking now. PQRS. PQRS is a parallelogram. If a parallelogram is there, how to find the area of parallelogram? PQRS. So PQ cross PS. PQ cross PS. Magnitude. This is the area. So we have to find PQ cross PS. What is P? What are the coordinates of P? 1 1 1. Coordinates of P is 1 1 1. What are the coordinates of Q? 0 2 4. 0 2 4. What are the coordinates of S? S is 1 0 minus 1. 1 0 minus 1. 1 0 minus 1. Okay. Okay, fine. Now if they are asking area, so we have to find these PQ vector and PS vector. What is PQ vector? PQ vector is I cap, 2 minus 1 1 j cap, and 4 minus 1 3 k cap. What is PS vector? PS vector is 0 I cap minus j cap and minus 2 k cap. Now find PQ cross PS. I can write here I cap, j cap, k cap. Here it is 1 1 3. Here it is 0 minus 1 minus 2. Okay. Now open this determinant. I cap minus 2 plus 3, minus 2 plus 3 minus j cap, delete minus 2, plus k cap, delete minus 1. So 3 minus 2 1, that is I cap, plus 2 j cap minus k cap. So this is PQ cross PS, but we have to take the magnitude now. When we will take magnitude, this is under root 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square. So 4 plus 5 plus 6, root 6. Root 6 is our area of this parallelogram. Root 6 is our answer. But they are asking square. Square means root 6 square. Root 6 square means 6 is our final answer. Not this one. 6 is our final answer. Okay.